Hello everyone. Today what I am going to tell you is the difference between two words which somewhere I hope you never use. But you should be aware of the right usage of these terms. So today we are going to discuss the difference between jealousy and envy. You must be wondering, when I don't want you to use these terms, why am I explaining them? Yesterday, one of my relatives messaged me that how jealous is she of her friend's house. And then I thought, oh, there is some problem here, and people are not aware of what is the correct usage of these two terms. So let's understand the difference between these two words. Jealousy is when you think that what you have is attacked by someone else. It's a negative emotion. For example, if a wife says, I feel jealous of my husband's mobile phone, it means that husband probably is spending more time with the mobile phone than with the wife. So the wife thinks what she already has, that is, her husband is attacked by someone else, that is, the mobile phone. So when what I already have or what I already possess is attacked by someone else or something else, then the feeling that is generated is known as jealousy. Let's take one more example. I feel jealous when you talk to her. Now, I am talking to you. For example, I feel jealous when you talk to her. So, what I already have is you, and I feel that you are attacked by her. So, the negative emotion that is created is known as jealousy. Now, let's understand the word envy. Envy is not a replacement for the word jealousy. Many people use envy or envious because they find it cool to show that, oh, we have a better level English. But these two words can't be used interchangeably. Envy means when you desire for something, you don't have the thing. When you desire something that is enjoyed by someone else, you don't have the thing. Again, I'm saying. For example, I'm again repeating the same example. I feel envious of my husband's mobile phone. Here it means that she likes that phone. The wife likes the phone that husband has. And that's why she's saying, I feel envious of my husband's mobile phone. Means she wants that phone. She does not want the time of her husband. She wants the phone. Let's take one more example. Dia is envious of Riya's A grade. Dia is envious of Riya's A grade. Means Dia wants that A grade which Riya has earned. She does not have it. Let's take one more example. I envy her foreign trips. Oh God, she goes for foreign trips so many times that I am envious. I envy her foreign trips. Means this is what I want. This is what I desire. This is what I long for. So what is the difference between these two terms? I hope you have understood. But for a recap, word jealousy is used when you already have that thing or that person. But you feel that now that person is taking interest in something else or someone else is attacking your possession. Whereas in envy, you don't have that thing or person. You want it. or you want that. I hope you have understood the difference between these two words, but as these are negative emotions, I really pray you never have to use them. But knowledge is always good. This is Anushree signing off. Thank you.